Hello everyone, I am Muslim World again and once again here to teach you fifth lesson of series of German grammar lessons level A1. So in fifth lesson we will be learning the about article. We will be learning that how many types of articles do we have in German language. So we are coming to the first to the title. In title we have it Nomen mit Artikel. It means nouns with articles. So we have in German three types of articles. One, we have bestimmte article. The first type, it means determined articles. In the second type we have is unbestimmte article. Unbestimmte article means undetermined articles. And the next one is Verneinung. Verneinung means negative form of these unbestimmte article. So here, as I have mentioned in as I have mentioned in lesson number 4, that for male we use der, for neutral we use das, for plural and for female we use die, and so these are bestimmte Artikel. And the unbestimmt, it means the undetermined form of the article is ein and eine. Like in English, we have a, an, and a. For example, we say an apple, a man, like a girl. So in such a manner, we have also here in English, in German, unbestimmte Artikel, but we say ein und eine, ein and eine. So in the next one we have when we say no one, no person, no computers, and nothing, to form it in a negative form. The negative form of article is kein and keine. So now we are coming to the first form, bestimmte Artikel, der, das, die. How we say, for example, computer in German is male. I mentioned in fourth lesson that in German the neutral things, they are not always neutral. Like in we do not use a neutral article, a neutral determined article for them. Like always in English, we always use for that it. It is we use for that. But in German, um, something neutral can be feminine, something neutral can be male. So the article are differently used. Because of that, we have to be careful and we have to learn all nouns with their articles. For example, here, their computer, it is an article that we use for male, but here for computer is used. And in English, for it we use it, and it is used for something neutral. Here we say their computer. It means one. It means a computer. Der Apple. It means an apple. Der Koffer. It means a briefcase. Das Haus, it means a house. Die Tasche, it means a bag. Bag, like that. That of English. So, and the next one we have unbestimmte Artikel. It means undetermined articles, like we have a and n in English. For example, we say der. For der we use ein. When it is der and das, for these two we use the unbestimmt form of these two is ein. For example, like here it is ein used and here ein is used. For these two we use ein, and for like for D, and for D we use then eine. We add at the end one E, like here it is added. So we say der Computer, ein Computer. Der Apple, ein Apple. Like we say das Haus, this one, der Koffer, ein Koffer. Das Haus, ein Haus. Die Tasche, eine Tasche. Eine Tasche. So the next one, when we would like to tell its negative form and say no apple, no coffer, no briefcase, no house, and no bag. Then how to say that? Das ist ein Computer. Then we use kein and keine. Kein we use for der and das, and keine we use for plural form, and um, and also for feminine and female. So now here we are coming to, for example, das ist ein Computer. It is one computer. Then we say das ist kein Computer. It means it is not a computer. It is not a computer. Das ist ein Fernsehen. It is a TV, a television. It means it is not a computer. It is a television. For example, the next example is das ist eine Frau. This is um, like we say a woman, a miss. This is one woman or one misses. Then we say das ist keine Frau. It is not. It is not a woman. Um, then we say das ist ein Mann. It is not a woman. It is a man. So here we use for female keine, and here again it is female keine, and for man, for male we used ein. Now coming to its forms when they are singular, and when plural, how they are used. Here are the examples. For example, we say der Computer, das Haus, die Tasche. When we use in bestimmte Artikel, these are bestimmte articles, these are unbestimmte articles, means undetermined articles, and these are the singular forms, and these are Verneinung, means negative form of them. So these are singular in singular form here, and here are in plural. Like for example, we say der Computer, das Haus, die Tasche. We say in plural form die, for plural we use die, and computer is the same like computer. When we use here there is used, when we use there, it means it is one computer. When die is used, it means there are many computers. It is a plural form then. And the next one is das Haus. Here die is used for plural form, and house in formation of house in then changes comes in plural form. We use a umlaut here, and then er and int, and we say die Häuser, then it is a plural form of house. The next one is die Taschen. Die Tasche here, die is die, and die Tasche, then how we would know that it is plural or singular? So it is also die Tasche, and here also die Tasche. But here the difference is here that here at the end it is n is added. Die Taschen. So we know that it is a plural form. How to make a noun plural, it is a next in a separate lesson, but here we can say, like here we see here some nouns are just by changing the article can be changed to plural. Some nouns comes changes like that in this one. And some nouns like we ate at the end, an and n, it is changed to plural form. The next one is ein Computer, ein Haus, eine Tasche. So here we say for this we don't, for ein we don't have plural form. We just use like Computer, Häuser, Taschen. And the next one is kein. For kein, we say, for example, it is the same like changes like with ein, but it in plural form it can be used like it is negative. We say no computers, no houses, no bags. Okay, kein Computer, kein Haus, keine Tasche, keine Computer. In plural form, we say keine Häuser, keine Taschen. Now we are coming here in learning in this chart about bestimmte, unbestimmte und Verneinung Artikel. We are learning about bestimmte, that how they are in different forms, like in statement and normal form, how they are used, in direct object when used, how they are used, in indirect object in in dative when they are used, and how are they changed and used, and also in genitive in possessive form when they are used, how are they used. So here are singular forms, and here are the plural forms. Most Mask mean masculine, mean male form, feminine, and neutral means neutral. So in nominative, in normal, we say der, ein, kein. For example, for der we say ein, kein. In feminine, we say die. For feminine, we say die. And bestimmt article is das ist bestimmt, first bestimmt, then unbestimmt, then Verneinung. Like der ist bestimmt, ein ist unbestimmt, der ist bestimmt, ein ist unbestimmt und es ist Verneinung Form. So here for feminine we say die, eine, keine. For neutral we say das, ein, kein. For plural we say die and unbestimmt form we said that we don't have unbestimmt form in plural. And for Verneinung we say keine. The next one is accusative. In accusative there is changed to then. So when it is changed to then, here we change ein also to einen and change kein also to keinen. The next one is die is same in accusative like die. So we bring no changes and use the same like die, eine, keine. And thus for thus in accusative we use the same thus. So we bring no changes and we say das, ein, kein. And in die we use the same die. We say die and we don't have unbestimmt article, and then we say for kein, keine. The next one is dative. There in accusative to then change, and then there in dative is to them change. When it is changed to them, so for ein we also use am, we add am, we say einem. For there, them, for an, einem, for kein, keinem. And the and dative is changed to there. So when it is changed to there, die is changed to there, ein will be changed to einer, and kein will be changed to keiner. Der, einer, keiner. And the next one is das. Das is changed to them, like this one, them, einem, keinem. Then die is changed to then we say then, en is added here, kein, keinen. And genitive we say this, eines, keines, there is to this change, and the change to there, the same like here changes come, and neutral das is to this change, same like here, and the is changed to there, and so we say there and keiner. So it was fifth lesson. I hope that you have understand it.